Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a complete LSSC setup guide. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your web browser and search for LSSC Lightning. Then you will be find first link, which is the lssc.com. It is the official website of LSSC Lightning. So you need to just click on it and you will be landed on this page. Now over here you need to click on this profile icon in the top right hand corner, and first we will start by creating our account here. For that you need to provide your first name, your last name, your email address and your phone number, and then click on the option of create account. On the next page you need to provide your email address and you need to just create a strong password for your account. Once you have created your password, you just have to simply wait for some time until it shows you the interface or the dashboard of yours. Now, once you have successfully created your account, you will be shown the login page. So you need to provide your login credentials, the email address and the password that you have created, and you will be in your dashboard. So the dashboard here should look something like this. So this is the home page of LSSC Lightning Scooters. Over here you need to click on the LSSC stores, and from here you will see all of their stores. If you click on the LSSC gear, you will see the information about how many products do they have and how you can basically purchase them. If you want to join their webinars, you can also do that by clicking on this option. Now if you go to your profile section and click on the bookings option on this page, it will show you your booking. Now you must be wondering how you can basically get these LSSC bikes. So in order to get this, you need to basically join their program, and in order to join that you need to come on the home page and click on this join button. Over here you need to provide your registered email address, your name, and here in this section you need to tell them why do you want to actually join LSSC. Then you need to click on this send option, and this way they are going to basically contact you via your email address. So you need to wait for at least 24 hours until you get any response from them. Then you can follow further on screen instructions in order to basically purchase the products from here. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.